Srinagar, a massive avalanche hit the Sarbal area close to the famous tourist destination Sonamard in central Kashmir's Ganderbal district on Saturday evening, officials said. This is the second avalanche in this area in recent days. On Thursday, two laborers working at the Zaghila Tunnel along the strategic Srinagar-Leh highway were killed when an avalanche hit the area. Police and State Disaster Response Force are monitoring the situation closely, police added. A purported video which surfaced on social media showed two avalanches coming towards the sheds, probably of MEIL workers. Jammu and Kashmir State Disaster Management Authority, SDMA, on Saturday morning issued a high-danger avalanche warning for the Kupwara district of North Kashmir. The SDMA advised people living in these areas to take precautions and avoid venturing into avalanche-prone areas. Kashmir witnessed a 3-day wet spell which ended late last evening. The higher reaches of Kashmir received moderate to heavy snowfall during these 3 days, with uni inputs.